Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at week 3 of the Robinhood 52-week premium selling challenge. I don't really want to hold y'all up too long with the intro, so I'll try to keep it brief. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And also, while you're down there, please be sure to smash the like button. Really helps to grow the family. And if you're interested in supporting the channel in any way, shape, or form, hey, feel free to check out those referral links down below in the description, because you interacting with them really helps to support the channel. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I hate to say it, but due to unforeseen reasons, we have to end this challenge right here. I'm no longer going to trade on Robinhood. I'm not even going to trade on TD Ameritrade or Tastyworks. I have completely signed my allegiance over to Webull, and because of that, they have sent me this gear. Nah, but for real, Webull sent me this gear, so I figured it'd be a great time to give them a shout out. If you haven't had the chance to try out the Webull platform, give it a look. It's definitely a powerful platform, has so many features. So yeah, if you're interested in signing up and getting a free stock valued up to $1,600 whenever you make a deposit as small as $100, hey, be sure to check out the referral link down below in the description. And I can't lie, this Webull merch is pretty dope, but none of this would be possible if it weren't for you. And because of that, if you're interested in getting some of the merch that Webull sent me, just be sure to drop your Instagram name down below into the comments, and I'll select some of you at random and I'll message you on Instagram and we can get some of this Webull stuff shipped your way. And for those of you wondering what I have, they sent me this shirt, they sent me this hat, they sent me this mask, and they also sent a few more masks. So yeah, I know not everyone's interested in this, so yeah, if you are, drop your Instagram down below in the comments. And without further ado, let's get into Monday's video. That being said, we're gonna hop in the handy dandy Robinhood. So here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, not a dang thing has happened in the portfolio today. And that is because if we take a look at the SPY, the SPY's up $5.89 today, and I'm gonna be real with y'all, I do not trust it. Yeah, I kind of just chose to sit and watch today. So yeah, that's kind of how we're playing Monday. I'll probably do some put credit spreads on the SPY, but right now at this level, I feel like doing it $10 out would end up hurting me, because I feel like there is the possibility that it could drop $10 tomorrow. So that's kind of how we're sitting today. But yeah, as you see, Monday has not been very eventful. Hopefully we'll be in for a very eventful Tuesday. Alright, so here we are. It is Tuesday, and let me tell you, today was a day. The market ripped up most of the day, and then Trump sent out a tweet, and of course it comes crashing down. But honestly, that's the least of our problems. Kind of cheated a little bit today. Please don't be mad at me. This isn't something I plan on doing. I just saw the opportunity and I had to take it. But honestly, it's a lot easier to show you than to tell you. So let's just hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. So let me get my phone and let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. And as you can see, we have a massive gain for an account of this size on the day. Okay, so at the beginning of the day, we started off with $301 and we closed out the day with $660.20. Now I'm sure you're thinking, there is no way this man was selling premium, and you would be right. Kind of cheated a little bit today, saw an opportunity, and you know, when opportunity strikes, you gotta take it. So let's take a look at what opportunity struck, and then after that I did actually pick up a credit spread. So yeah, let's take a look. Honestly, I was kind of hesitant on selling anything today, but we still got in there. So yeah, if we go to Boeing today and we look at history, you'll see that I bought a put for $202. It was a 170. It was a 170 put, and it costs, I put in a limit price of $210. I actually tried 2 more times before. I tried to buy it for $180, but the price was just increasing so much, and I realized there would be a chance for massive profit. So it was filled at 9:13 a.m. and then I sold out of it at 9:21 a.m. So right there in just 8 minutes, I profited $372. So yeah, we're looking good on the day. But now that I show you how I kind of cheated, let's take a look at what I'm in. So here's kind of my thought process behind this. I sold an in the money put, and I sold it for an average credit of 101. So my max loss on this is $99. Okay, so Apple, if we look at Apple was about right here when I did it, and I was like, hey, I think they'll be at 116 by the time this expires. So I actually think they'll be a lot higher than that. So I opened this spread, and then of course Trump sent out the tweet and it comes crashing down. So that's why we're currently down on it. But Apple has an event next week where they're expected to announce the iPhone. So that's kind of what's going on with that. And that's going to do it for Tuesday. I will catch you on Wednesday. All right, so it is Wednesday after hours. Actually, it is Thursday pre-market, but we didn't record yesterday for Wednesday after hours, so we're going to get this done in these quick few minutes before the market opens. So we got 7 minutes till the market opens, so let's quickly get through this. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, the account balance is down a little bit from Tuesday. I want to say like somewhere between $20 and $30, but overall yesterday was a good day. We actually picked up a new position. I'll show you in a bit, but first let's take a look and see how we did on that Apple position. Alright, so right here we have our Apple put credit spread, and we are actually up $1 on it. So yeah, that's looking well. And if we actually take a look at the price of Apple, this put credit spread is actually finally out of the money. So it's starting to move my way, and if we can capture our profits on this next week and it continues to go up, this will be great for hitting our 5% goal for next week. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of how we're sitting. Again, the strikes were 116, 114, and we finally passed that 116. So yeah, we're about 20 cents out of the money, and it's starting to move in my favor. All right, now going to look at the next, we hopped in this Broadcom put credit spread, and if you guessed I got this from Tiblio, you would be correct. But yeah, taking a look at it, it says we're down $32 on it, but that's not really the truth. Sometimes at the end of the day with certain stocks, people like to manipulate the prices, and if you take the time to look at this chart, you can see that's obviously what went on right here. Because if we look at the actual chart, we actually have to look yesterday. It doesn't reflect the move anything remotely like that. Okay, but looking at how it's doing today on Thursday, it's looking like it's off to a good start. So yeah, if the market holds on to what it's doing right now, Thursday is going to be a good day. So yeah, that's it for Wednesday / Thursday morning. I will catch you Thursday after hours. All right, so it is Thursday after hours. Actually, again, just like yesterday, it is now Friday pre-market, and of course we're going to take a look at the handy dandy Robinhood. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, it's showing that we're up a lot more than we actually are. So this is definitely one of the reasons I don't like Robinhood. It doesn't truly show your balance. And now it's saying I'm dropping. You know, you just saw it said I dropped, and now it's not saying I'm dropping. And what's crazy is the only thing I'm in are option spreads. So a little confusing, but if we take a look at the buying power, I have $197 buying power, 15 cents. Also, let's just take a quick look at how much I'm investing. All right, so it's still a little confusing over here, so we'll go back. Cash balance aside, let's take a look at the positions I picked up yesterday and how the positions I was already holding did. All right, so looking right here, you see I have 3 positions. I had the Apple and the Broadcom yesterday, and we're doing very well on the Broadcom. Probably going to take profits on that today because I'm at more than 50%. But on Ulta, I picked up Ulta yesterday for 70 cents, or I actually picked it up for 69 cents, and Ulta has just continued to move up. So it doesn't look like it's working in my favor, but I think the reason Ulta continued to move up is because the overall market continued to move up. And I've been getting a question from a lot of you asking if I do any technical analysis before I hop in trades. To answer that, yeah, I'll look at. I don't do any heavy technical analysis. I don't look at moving averages or anything just because I'm on Robinhood. Probably be a little bit better to look at some moving averages and stuff, but not for the most part. I look at the weekly, monthly. I go back 3 months and I just check the highs and lows. I saw that the high was lower than the short leg I have on this, so I figured I'd be good. And then when we check the all-time high, okay, their all-time highs, looking at their all-time highs, if they reach that, I'll be hurt. But I think I should be pretty good on this. And I also checked the news. I checked for when the next earnings was, and I figured I should be pretty good on this. So right now, it says I'm currently up $214 on this, but I am actually down. If the value is 145, I'm down probably like $80 or $90 on this right now. So I'm kind of just going to sit through this one, and I believe as long as things have been going the way that they have been going with the stimulus, I'll be fine. If we get any good stimulus news, I will quickly buy this back, because I think this is just going to rocket up out of range. But yeah, I'm going to continue to watch this one closely, and then yeah. But taking a look at our other positions, you see Broadcom. Right now we're sitting at 56% profit. I'm hoping I can still buy it back today. It's looking like I should be able to buy it back today. And then if we look at Apple, I'm up $2 on it, so I'm not complaining. I'm really watching for the 13th when they have their event. But yeah, as of right now, I'm pretty happy with everything, aside from the way that Ulta's looking, but I can't really tell what my balance is on that anyway. So yeah, that's going to conclude it for Thursday. I will catch y'all after hours on Friday. Alright, and we are back. It is Friday after market close. I know I haven't changed clothes, but Thursday was actually recorded early this morning, so just a fun fact. But today actually wasn't so bad, if I do say so myself, but I actually think it'll be better if I show you rather than tell you. So without further ado, let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy, and as you can see, we are down $795. But in reality, from yesterday, if everything was balanced out right, we actually are up on the day. So we did lock in some profits today, and that's what I want to start off by showing you. Okay, so if we go and we take a look at Broadcom is up $3.37 on the day, and on the week it's up $15. So it's been pretty good to us. Looking at where we closed out today, I was able to buy back that credit spread for $18. Yeah, looking good. Bought it back pretty early today, and we actually bought it for $53. So that right there is a $35 profit, and it's not too bad if I do say so myself. I think right there off that one trade, if I'm not mistaken, we more than hit our 5% for the week, not even including Tuesday when the account doubled. So yeah, I would definitely say our luck is turning a little bit. These Tiplio trades are starting to be a little bit nicer. Did get burned on 2 of them, and there are definitely a lot more wins, so I'm definitely in agreement with Tiplio. So they have my seal of approval as of right now. But moving on, when I closed out of Broadcom, I picked up another spread on Goldman Sachs. Okay, so it's currently says I am up $29, but looking at this chart, it doesn't really look that accurate. If anything, I think I'm down probably a few dollars in reality. That's why it's kind of hard to trust the spread prices after hours and the account balance. But yeah, we picked the spread up for $57, and if I were able to buy this back for $28, I'd be pretty happy. But yeah, it looks like we definitely have some profits to take next week. We haven't even gotten to Apple and Ulta. Okay, so Apple has definitely moved in our favor a lot today. So the higher Apple goes, the better this will turn out. And Apple is actually one I picked out myself. I saw opportunity in Apple, and I know that it's going to run up going into its event. So I sold an in the money put for half the price. So yeah, in retrospect, I wish I sold more, but either way, profit's profit. We're in the green, and this challenge is starting to pick up a little bit. We're definitely far ahead of our goal for the week, but really I'm just so ready to start running the wheel. Okay, and the last one we need to take a look at is Ulta. Looked like we're doing good on this today. Ulta ending price ended up being 35, but let's see if that's actually an accurate value. Ulta took a dip today, so that could potentially be an accurate price. Actually looking at this chart, probably not. But anyways, we'll let time decay do its thing. But I want to know, how did the stock market treat you this week? Did you take any crazy losses? Did you take any massive gains? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video or learned anything, please be sure to smash the like button. And if for some reason you watched this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or videos. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.